out with the old and with the new. Where we at? Where we at? It's the new one that came with the new headset. So now we about to pop these cups out.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
All right, back in the lab with the fueler. Jet fuel 26er. Kind of getting tired of these handlebars moving up because this stem, it really doesn't have a top cap to hold it down. So it just keeps sliding on up because you see that. So you can see the top cap is the same size as the hole. So there's really, nothing holding it down for when I'm practicing wheelies, pulling it up, it just moves up. So just going back to the quill stem, probably could have figured something out, but I just don't. It's just easier right now to go back to the quill stem. I'm gonna pop this threadless stem on my Maniacc flyer just to have something different. I got a new stem coming for this one, so need to get a new headset. I already know I'm gonna get pork chop, but it's not important right now. So get this done. Knee still ain't that swollen no more. I'll be back out there in a day or two. But got some work to do. Lego. Alright, this bike is disabled right now until that new quill stem comes in. We're gonna put the stem off of there, put it on there. This one is a little shorter, which I like. You can see, tad bit shorter, bars closer to you. Probably won't even have to bend them back a little bit like I did before. Better stability. And it look cool. Something different than this regular black. And the headset just came in today also. So, try to get these new cups in with the seal bearings. It's the top one. Top dust cap. Hopefully everything's the right size. Seal bearings. New race. We're good to go. Let's see how it turns out. Lego. Alright, we got the crown race off. You can see, I'm trying to get it to, old crown race, took it off. Out with the old and with the new. Where we at? Where we at? It's the new one that came with the new headset. So now we about to pop these cups out. Everything lubed up. Get going. Lego. Lego. Lego.